Is Google Chrome downloading files too slowly? Here's how to fix it with these quick tips. Let's get started. Click on this three dot at the right and top. And from the suggestion, you have to click on Settings. Now here from the left, and menu option, you have to look for the System, click on System, and here you have to disable these two options that says Continue running background app. When Google Chrome is closed, toggle it off. When hardware acceleration is available, utilize it. However, you must also turn it off at this point. Request that you relaunch, so select Relaunch Now. Next, from the menu on the left, select Privacy and Security. From here, you may see Transparent Surfing Data. Press the button. Choose the time range for the advanced option. Select Keep Password and Autofill Form Data unchecked to proceed. You can now check all other options. Click Clear Data, which may take some time to complete depending on the amount of data to be cleared. Once it is finished, you will only find the security option here. Use Secure DNS can be found by scrolling down after selecting Security. Ensure that this option is enabled, as it will be selected by default with your present supplier of services. Now, to get better and faster speed, we will select the quickest DNS server, so choose the second option. From the custom drop-down menu, you must choose Cloudflare. You can also choose Google Public DNS, but I advise you to use the cloud. After choosing it, you must click the address box at the top to remove everything at once. You must type Chrome twice to see the /flags here. Press the Enter key to begin the process of enabling parallel downloading. Next, click the search flag and enter parallel. If you follow the instructions, you should now be able to download in parallel on your Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome, or Android device. After selecting the three dots to the right and top, hold down the extension and select Manage Extensions. The list of installed extensions on your browser will now appear here. Look for any extensions that you are not using, don't require, or that appear to be harmful, and uninstall them immediately. Additionally, I would advise you to remove any extensions you may have, such as those for McAfee Web Boost or McAfee Web Advisor. You can also download any kind of ad blocker extension to block ads from appearing on your pages and increase the amount of downloading you can do. After applying all of these changes, you can check to see if the changes have made a difference. If not, you can click on the left menu option in the Settings only and select Reset Settings to return the settings to their original default. Then, you must click on the three dots once more to bring yourself to Assistance. Here, you must click on About Google Chrome. Therefore, after you've tried all the fixes, I'm confident that your Google Chrome's sluggish downloading problem will be resolved. However, if the problem persists, you should also check that Windows is correctly and optimally configured. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.